Hey viewers, Rain City Wrench here. I've got a Subaru and it has C's spark plugs in it. And I've got one out and I'm going to get another one out, or try to get it out right now. You can see new one, the one I just extracted. Actually, this is the part I just extracted. It's supposed to go on there. Yeah, I've never in my whole career seen Subaru spark plugs that tight. Let's give it a shot here. Got my extractor in here. Whew. I think it's gonna come out. Go. That, my friends, what a snap-on extractor will do for you. Cheap extractors break off. Then you're gonna have to pull the cylinder head. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more like it, and make sure you ring the bell so you don't miss my new ones. Thanks for watching.